Welcome to the Kodu Game Lab Tutorial Series. In Lesson 1 we are going to look at the basic controls and tools to allow you to build a world and add objects to that world. In Part 1 of this lesson I will show you how to control the camera. Let's get started. Load Kodu and select New World from the menu to start a new world. The icon which looks like a hand is the camera tool. Use this to move around your 3D world. In the top left hand corner of the screen you will see the controls, so you will not have to remember everything that I tell you. Holding the left mouse button and moving the mouse allows you to drag the terrain, also known as panning the camera. Moving the mouse with the right mouse button pressed will orbit the camera so you can see the world from any angle you like. The scroll wheel will zoom in when rolled forward and zoom out when rolled back. Pressing F4 will center your camera. These are all the controls that you need to remember for now.